Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Destiny 2 on your iPhone. To download the Destiny 2 application on your iPhone, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and tap Open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Destiny 2. Look for the Destiny 2 companion application from Bungie Inc. and then tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading Destiny 2 on your iOS device. Wait for a few minutes and you will then be able to get it right on your device quickly. Destiny 2 is an open-world multiplayer first-person shooter developed by Bungie. Once the application is downloaded, click on the Open button. Allow necessary permissions such as notification and click on I accept at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions to sign into your account. And that is how you will be able to download the Destiny 2 application on your iPhone.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bungie.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the Bungie website, which is the developer of the Destiny 2 game. Now just click on Destiny 2 and now you will see the My Account option. Once you hover over to this, click on the Join Up button and now you can choose your platform. Just click on your respective platform and now this will take you into the login as well as the sign up portal. You can create a new profile or link an existing one. If you already have an existing profile, you can then select your region as well as your date of birth and then click on the Continue button. Then enter your email address and then agree with the privacy policy and terms of use. Finally, click on the Create Profile button and now you will be signed up to your newly created account on the Destiny 2 game right away.
In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Destiny 2 account. First of all, open up your Destiny 2 application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this sign-in interface, where you'll need to tap on Sign in with Bungie.net at the top. Click the Continue button in the pop-up and it'll take you to Bungie.net website. Select the platform you want to play Destiny on by choosing from one of the options. I'm gonna select Epic Games. Now, click on the Approve button on the next page. If prompted, you'll also need to sign in with your Epic Games credentials, enter your email address and password correct, and once you are logged in, you will then be taken to this main homepage of Destiny. So that is how you can easily log into your Destiny 2 account. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Destiny 2. To add friends in Destiny 2, first of all, open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device and then tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now once you get to this profile page, click on the Friends button at the top of the screen. Click on Add Friends at the top right and then search for your friends with the help of the search box at the top. You will then be able to see list of search results appearing on the display, and from the search results, go ahead and select your friend you want to add and then click on Send Bungie Friend Request. You can simply tap on the Add Friend button in order to send friend request to the person, and once they accept your request, you will then be able to add yourselves as friends. The player will receive your request and can accept it to add you as their friend as well. That is how you can add friends on Destiny 2. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Destiny 2. To change email address on Destiny 2, first of all, open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device. From the home page of Destiny 2, click on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings interface, click on Bungie.net account settings at the top. Now click on the email option from the list and then enter a new email address that you want to change to by erasing the current one. After you do that, click on the Save button at the top right corner and you will then need to verify your new email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive an email from Bungie. Tap it open and then click on Verify email address. Select a web browser in the pop-up and wait for a few seconds and your email address will be verified. You can now get back to your Destiny 2 account and now your email has been verified and changed to a new one as well. So that is how you can easily change email address associated with your Destiny 2 account. In this video, we will be learning how to change name in Destiny 2. To change your username or your Destiny 2 name, first of all, open up your Destiny 2 application on your mobile device. From the home page, click on the More button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the Settings button at the bottom and tap on Bungie.net account settings. Click on About Me on the next page. You will then be able to see your Bungie name or your username. Tap on the text box and then erase your current name and type down a new name and click on Done at the bottom right. Finally, tap Save at the top right and click on OK. Remember that you can only change your name once on Destiny 2. After you make this change, you will not be able to change your name again. Click on OK to confirm, and you have now successfully changed your Destiny 2 username or your Bungie username. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem codes in Destiny 2. You can easily redeem codes using the Bungie website on your web browser, or simply open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device and sign into your account. After you do that, go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the More button. Inside the More button, click on Settings. Now, on the next page, click on Redeem a Code option. You will be redirected to Bungie.net website. Sign into your account first by choosing one of the platforms and follow through the instructions. After signing in to the platform using your credentials, you will then be able to see the code redemption page. Enter your code in the text box appearing on the middle of the screen. After typing in your code correct, click on the Redeem button in order to redeem your codes. Now you'll need to check your rewards as they will appear in your game. That is how you can easily redeem codes in Destiny 2 and unlock in-game items, emblems, and more. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Destiny 2 application using your mobile device. First of all, open up your Destiny 2 application and from the main home page, click on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the Settings menu from the list. To log out or sign out of your account, click on the Sign Out button at the bottom of the screen under Settings. Click on Sign Out in the pop-up to confirm, and you will then be able to log out of your Destiny 2 account.